Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be getting ready for my back to school shopping. This is my first video, so I hope you enjoy it. So I'm not going to do a skincare routine cause I'm too lazy. We are just gonna wash our face.
Oh my God!
What are you doing here? What should I wear? This one's good, but it's too cold for winter. This is alright, but it's kinda simple. This would be perfect if not for the tights. I finally decided to wear this instead, but I changed the trousers. Now I'm going to do my hair. So today I'm gonna be making bacon and eggs. I'm getting the ingredients on. First we chop the tomatoes. And now we fry the bacon and eggs with the tomato. It's ready. It tastes like heaven. I'm such a good cook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Wow, it just started raining.